So good morning students. In the previous class we have discussed about structure and composition of the atmosphere, air pollutions, air pollutant, scopes and scales of the air pollutions. Today's class we are going to discuss about effects of air pollutions on human being, animals, vegetation and aesthetic value. So first coming to effects of air pollutions on human beings. So air pollutions causes adverse effects on the human beings. Actually, it irritates eyes, nose, and throat and causes respiratory tract. So, some of the harmful particles which are present in the atmosphere, which is called as air pollutants, such as lead particles, cadmium particles, and nickel particles, and mercury particles. So, lead particles causes lead poisoning. Cadmium particles causes cardiovascular disease. It affects kidney and results in kidney damage and liver damage. Nickel particle results in respiratory damage. Mercury particles affects the nervous systems and results in central nervous systems and affects kidney and brain. So radioactive substance affects future generations. So next, coming to the health effects of the pollutions. So some of the common effects of the pollution such as air pollutions, water pollutions and soil pollutions causes adverse effects on human health. So air pollution such as harmful gases in the atmosphere such as carbon monoxide, lead, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxides results in various diseases such as headache, fatigue, and the ozone particulate matter results in respiratory illness. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide results in respiratory illness and affects the heart functioning, which results in cardiovascular illness. Volatile organic compounds results in cancer risk, nausea and skin irritations. Next, coming to the water pollution, some of the harmful particles present in the water such as bacteria, parasites and chemicals, so which results in health, headache and fatigue effect, cardiovascular illness. So some of the pesticides present in the soil contaminates and results in heart, cardiovascular illness, gastroenteritis and cancer risk. Next, coming to the air impacts of the air pollutions of the human health. Among the air pollutions, it gets classified into two types: indoor air pollutions and outdoor air pollution. So, indoor air pollution, it affects the it is due to the effect of cooking stove gas, furniture, and smoking. Outdoor air pollution is caused due to forest fires, emission from industries and factories, and also the automobile vehicles which emit the harmful gases which results in air pollutions, which comes under outdoor air pollutions. It affects the central nervous system such as autism, stroke, and physiological development in children, increased depressive symptoms in the elderly patients, some of the cardiovascular disease. Next, adverse effects of air pollution on plants. It causes a widespread damage to natural vegetations and affects the economic crops. Even low concentrations of air pollutions can damage many species. So gaseous pollutants which are mobilized by some plants, and these plants act as the indicators of the air pollutants. The pollutants which affects the plants such as sulfur dioxide, nitric oxide, ozone, peroxyl acetylnitride, mercury hydrogen sulfide and photochemical smog. The forms of damages to leaves. There are four forms of damages to leaves which results in necrosis, chlorosis, abscission, epinasty. So necrosis means killing or collapse of tissues. Chlorosis means loss or reduction of chlorophyll resulting in fading of leaf green color or yellowish or pale color. Next, abscission means dropping of leaves. Epinasty means downward curvature of leaf due to higher rate of growth on the upper surface. Next kind of injury to plants. There are three major kinds of injury to plants, such as acute injury, chronic injury, and growth or yield retardation. So acute injury means which is due to the high concentration with the short-term effects under fumigation conditions. And chronic injury means long-term effects due to low concentrations of the air pollutions. Sometimes the air pollutants affects the growth, which results in yield retardations. Next, other effects of air pollutions on the plants results in cell metabolism disruption, leaf injury and loss, reduced growth and reproductions, increase in susceptibility of plants to attack by insects. Next, sulfur dioxide effects. It results in acute injury and chronic injury. So acute injury means the symptoms which appears on two sides that usually occurs between the veins and occasionally along the margins of the leaves. Chronic injury means the symptoms which is appearing as yellowish or chlorosis of the leaf, and occasionally it is acting as a bronzing on the undersurface of the leaves. So these are the pictures which represents a trees which is damaged by sulfur emissions, acute sulfur dioxide injury on raspberry. Next, nitrogen dioxide effect. Seriously, the nitrogen dioxide gas present causes air pollutions which cause serious injury on vegetations at certain concentrations. The effects includes bleaching. Bleaching means killing plant tissues. Sometimes it causes leaves to fall, reducing plant growth rate. Next, peroxyl nitrate effect. Peroxyl nitrate has more soluble alkyl groups, will be readily taken up by the plants. Peroxyl nitrate damage occurs at concentration level nearly 0.01 parts per million for a few hours or even within a few minutes. Peroxyl nitrate, when it enters into the leaf through stomato effect, it affects parenchymatous in the vicinity of stomata. So the damage is reflecting in lower and upper surface of leaves. These are the forms of the injury. The first one is showing a light injury. Next one is medium injury. The next picture, it represents the heavy injury. So on light injury, so the color remains in green. So moderate injury, the leaf will be getting fade and it acts as a yellowish green. And on heavy injury, the leaf is getting much affected and it shows us changes in the color. So enzymes and phosphoglucomutase and phosphorylase are inhibited by peroxyl nitrate. It can inhibit the mobilization of starch in darkness due to suppression of phosphorylase reaction. It inhibits CO2 fixation during photosynthesis. So fatty acid synthesis is affected by peroxyl nitrate due to oxidation of NADPH. Next, effects of air pollutions on plants. Fluorine is the most main air pollutants which affects the plants. Excess concentrations of fluorine causes phototoxicological effect. This reduces the yield of crop. Next, effects of air pollutions on the plants. It reduces the photosynthesis effect. It reduces the nutrients which is present in vegetables. Next, effects of air pollutions on animals. Fluorine, arsenic and lead affects the animals. Fluorine reduces the milk productions, lack of appetite, it reduces fertility. Arsenic creates thirst, vomiting and respiratory problems. Lead poisoning leads to instability to stand, diarrhea, it affects digestive tract. The effects of air pollution on materials results in corrosion effect, chemical attack, abrasion, deposit and removal, sulfur dioxide, acids and gases, which leads to color deformations, loss of metal, reduction in tensile strength. Oxidants reduces tensile strength. Hydrogen sulfide suspended particulate matter leads to cracking. So these are the picture which is representing the air pollution effects on the plants, especially on the leaves. The first one shows a leaching effect and resuspension, leaf decomposition, all because of the acid rain and water droplets when it falls on the leaves. So due to the chemical effect, soon it gets dries and it results in falling of leaves. Next, coming to effects of air pollutions on animals. So toxic pollutants in the air or deposition on soils or surface water can impact wildlife in number of ways. Like humans, animals can experience health problems which causes sufficient concentrations of air toxics over time. Air toxics are contributing to birth defects, reproductive failure, and disease in animals. Persistent toxic air pollutants, those that break down slowly in the environment, affects the aquatic life and aquatic ecosystems. Air pollutions causes biomagnifications in tissues of animals. So next, acid rain formed in the air destroys fish life in lakes and streams. Excessive UV radiations coming from the sun through the ozone layer in the upper atmosphere causes skin cancer in wildlife. Ozone in the lower atmosphere may damage lung tissues of animals. Next, harmful effects of air pollution on properties. It causes a damage to property which affects economic aspects of the pollutions. It causes damage to the property which results in corrosion of metals, soiling, eroding of building surface, fading of dyed material, rubber cracking. It results in deterioration of works of art. This air pollutants cause damage to materials by 5 different mechanisms, which is called as mechanisms deterioration. So first one is abrasion effect, second one deposition removal effect, third one direct chemical attack, fourth one indirect chemical attack, and fifth one corrosion attack. Next, factors which influence atmospheric deterioration are moisture, temperature, sunlight, and air movement. Next, so some of the adverse effects on the building materials because of smoke and aerosols which adhere to the stone, brick, and building surface to produce unsightly coatings. Sulfur dioxide gas in presence of moisture react with limestones and changes the color. Example, this happens in Taj Mahal. And CO2 gases present in the atmosphere in presence of moisture produces carbonic acid which causes leaching problem. Falling of leaves, that is called as leaching problem, killing of the tissues. It requires additional cleaning expense. This is the picture which represents air pollutions on the buildings, properties and the materials. Next, air pollutions causes some of the adverse effects on the paints. So areas which is exposed with high pollutions require frequent painting. Pollutants damage protective coating. Common pollutants cause damages such as ozone effect, hydrogen sulfide, sulfur dioxide, and aerosol effects. Hydrogen sulfide causes darkening of the